Before we get to prediction according to the chart, I want to talk about two vehicles that can help us predict what is going on. The first one is economical data, and the second one is objective data. Economical data is something that is happening with the economy that we know that can help us know what happened or predict what happens. We're looking at the dollar-euro chart, and we can see that since 2008, it went down from 1.6 to 1.04 at the end of 2016. This movement is a weakening of the euro, practically strengthening of the dollar in the dollar rate in the world. One of the main reasons that the dollar strengthened so much is the interest rate. The interest rate on dollars is positive, and it's increasing and decreasing, but stays really positive. And dollar-euro rate is negative. So investors prefer to have a positive interest rate, and they tend to convert into dollars to get interest rate. So that makes the dollar strengthening more than the euro. At the corona, the interest rate went down in the United States. So the gap between the dollar interest rate and euro interest rate had decreased. That made the euro strengthen for a short time, because the interest rate were much less different. But it was only temporary, and the dollar rates went up again, and the dollar is strengthening again. The second tool is an objective tool. For example, when Bank of Israel decided of the exchange rate band that was created by the main currencies that Israel is exporting and importing according to. And the main currency was dollars. It was something like 65 or 70% the dollars. So if we reached the lower band, we know that the dollar probably will not weaken anymore. And exactly when it's going up to the upper band, we know that the dollar cannot strengthen a lot, because the main currency of this rate is dollars. Another example is knowing what is going on with the high tech in Israel. We know that there are many dollars that coming into Israel because of what is going on with the high tech. So even though the dollar is really strengthening for years in the world, in Israel it had decreased because there is vast access of dollars. Such an objective data information can help us predict what is going to happen. In the next post, I will start to teach you about prediction according to the chart. The chart is what we do is predict according to first recognizing where the money flows, and second, we predict how the investors will act and how will they respond to various prices, and according to that we can predict. We'll start the next post. Thank you very much.